Hi, my name is Chef Ben Diaz, and today I'm going to show you how to make a French cream frosting. The reason is it's a great frosting for any and all occasions, especially holidays, birthday parties, considering you can use them for cakes, small desserts, cookies, and what have you. So first off, we're going to take a large bowl from our KitchenAid. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of butter, followed by half a cup of powdered sugar. Next, 2 tablespoons of flour, followed by half a cup of cream, and finally 2 tablespoons of vanilla. We're going to put our bowl back into our KitchenAid with our paddle attachment and start on medium, which should be about setting 4 or 5 depending on your KitchenAid. We're going to whip on medium for about 2 to 3 minutes and check the consistency. Next, we're going to whip on high, which should be level 7 or 8, for about 2 to 3 minutes until the mix is completely combined. We're going to check our mixture, make sure it's completely combined. It should be silky smooth. As soon as we reach our consistency, we're going to remove it from our bowl and set aside. And what you'll have is a great French cream cheese frosting for any and all occasions.